Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. So as I initially talked about in my previous video, I want to share with you the most affordable and quality data bundle on MTN. Okay, it's free, everybody can access it provided you have one thing. Okay, I'll state that during the video. Okay, I'll share that with you as we go along the video. Now, in case you are new to this channel and want to see more of these videos, make sure to like the video, share, and then leave your comments in the comment section. Okay, and then in case of any challenges, I will just respond to those questions as soon as possible. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into this video. Now, let me show you something. Imagine having this data package, okay, on your phone. Okay, you have 142,000 megabyte data. It could be more. Okay, it could be more than this. Okay, all you have to do is just stay with me to the end of this video and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Check this out. There are lots of data packages on MTN. Okay, once you know these packages, you are good to go. There wouldn't be a need for you to be buying unnecessary data packages like 2 CDs, 3 CDs, 5 CDs and all that. Okay, you just have to know these packages. Once you know these packages, you'll be using them for several months. Okay, several couple of months. Okay, once you don't know this, you won't be able to access these packages. That's where our channel comes in. Okay, we show you these packages, enable you to get access to them and use them and save money. Okay, now let me show you this package, okay, and how it works. Now, you can use these packages for this package for more than what, a month, 2, depending on how you use your data. Okay, it's very simple and straightforward. So as I initially showed you, this package, that's what, 142,000 megabytes. Okay, that's more than 100 gigabytes. Okay, 100 gigabytes, that's very true, more than 100 gigabytes. Okay, now let me show you how to get this data package. Now you could notice that we have what, 92.92 gigabytes. Now I'm going to break this down for you. After that, I'll show you how to buy this data package. Okay, now let's proceed. We have what, 92.92 gigabytes. Okay, that's just the main data package. Now these are the bonuses. Okay, all these are bonuses. This is the main data package and these are the bonuses. Now check this out. This is the main data package. Okay, 92.80 gigabytes. That's the main data package. It doesn't expire. Okay, now check this out. We have what, 35.19 gigabytes. Now this is because I've already used some of this bonus. Okay, so the bonus you get for purchasing this data package is around 46 to 50 gigabytes. Okay, very affordable, very cheap to access. Now you could notice that we have what, additional 80 megabytes for 7 days and what, additional 24.17 megabytes for what, which is non-expiry. Okay, it doesn't expire, unlike the 80 megabytes and what, 46 to what, 50 megabytes, 46 to 50 gigabytes data bonus. Okay, so these bonuses, that's the 80 megabytes and what, 46 to 50 gigabytes data bonus, will last for only 1 week. Okay, but this package, okay, 92 gigabytes is non-expiry, as well as the 24.17 megabytes is non-expiry, so you can use it depending on how you use your data. Okay, now let me show you how to buy this data package. First, as I initially said,